welcome back to my channel. It's Mez here. If you are new here, hello and welcome. If you are old, thank you for stopping by again. Today I will be doing a video in collaboration with a beauty product called Jordy B Cosmetics. So Jordy B Cosmetics. I will link their Instagram profile down below. If you want to go and check them out, please do. They are an Australian small business, and all of their products are animal cruelty free, vegan products and so forth. So without further ado, let's get started on the get ready with me video. Okay, so I've primed my face. So the first thing that I will be using is a full coverage liquid foundation. So it looks like that. So all you need is just a tiny bit. Honestly, you don't need a lot. And it comes in this tube as well. So, you know, you could just squeeze it on. Okay, so it's not a lot. I've probably put way too much on my face, as I always do. Now, she's got this foundation brush that she gave me as well. And this, oh my God, the bristles are so soft and it's so fluffy. It feels so good on your skin. And I think I just got a foundation in my eye. But it blends in so well, even the foundation. And I'm telling you guys, this matches my skin. Oh, my skin tone, not my skin. But my skin tone to a T. Like, I honestly struggle with finding foundation that's perfect for my skin. Or my skin tone. Oh. And it's quick drying as well. And it's matched my skin to a T. Like, honestly, you will not go wrong with this foundation. Like, literally. She just asked me a couple of questions, told me to send her a photo of my skin so she can see the actual tone. And she sent me this foundation, and honestly, this is the best foundation. That's all I have to say. I will not be using any other foundations. It's matched my skin perfectly, as you can see. Like, absolutely love it. Love it. Now I'm going to put the Jordy B Kissed by the Sun bronzer. Apply with our contour brush to add definition to the face. Now this is where I'm probably going to stuff up my makeup, right? Oh, because I'm not a what do you call it? How do I say it? I'm not a makeup artist, so this is the contour brush. Now, a little goes a long way. Don't be like me, where oh, this is a gorgeous color. It's like a pigmented highlighter color as well. It's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but it's okay. If you want to see someone doing their makeup that doesn't know what the heck they're doing, then keep watching. So anyway, that was a bronzer. I'm not going to put any more bronzer on because, knowing me, I'm going to stuff up my makeup. And then we have the, actually I'll do the palette. This is the Eva, oh, hang on, I've got bloody foundation all over it anyway. So she sent me also a couple of other palettes. And this is the Jordy B, the Eva collection. And this is Jordy B, the Christine collection. Now the Christine collection, they're all neutrals because I absolutely love neutral colours. So that's that. And the Eva collection is sort of like got the pinks and so forth. So absolutely gorgeous. The eyeshadows are very pigmented as well. So yeah. Now let's have a look. What color should we do, guys? All right, I'm going to go in with this color here. Can you see it? That color there. Hope you are enjoying this video because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. As you can see, they're absolutely pigmented, like gorgeous color, man. Gorgeous color. They're so pigmented, like as soon as, and they glide on very smoothly. So as soon as I put this on my eye, it just seamlessly glides on. Absolutely. Look at the color, like literally. And I've just put a tiny bit. I haven't put a lot on there, which is good. So, and now I'm going to put, it's like a purpley color, but on the palette, it looks more like a little bit of a purpley terracotta color. But yeah, when you put it on the eye, it looks more purple. Sorry, if you see me keep looking here, it's because I've got the mirror here. And it's a lot easier for me to look at the big mirror. Oh, I think I just fucked that up. That's okay. Oops, language. Absolutely gorgeous colors. Like, I love them. Okay, so anyway, I'm back. I think I need to buy another makeup bag. Now, I've got this, so I'm gonna fuck this up. Does anyone know how to do wing eyeliner? Because I certainly don't. I honestly don't. Like, I reckon I'm just gonna stuff this up. But it's okay if I do. It looks totally hideous. But, and I can never do eyeliner with my left hand, so I have, you know what, I'm going to do my eye like that. I think this is going to be better. There we go. Yeah, I already stuffed it. I told you I'll stuff it. I already stuffed it, guys, look. Okay. Alright, that'll do, because you know what, I don't care. It just like, whatever. Anyway, now I'm going to put the Let's Lash Jordy B Cosmetics mascara, and the brush is absolutely beautiful as well. See, it's quite, it's curved, And it's got quite a few bristles on it as well, so I need to find my... Oh wow, that's already given me a lift and it's only one coat. Look at that, guys. Seriously, it's already given a lift. That is freaking amazing. And it's only one coat. I haven't even put any other coats. Now, I don't put any mascara on my lower lashes because I don't have a lot of lower lashes, and when I do it, it just looks stupid. So... Okay, so I'll let the first coat dry, and I think I'll put a second layer on, and yeah, that's basically it. And I'm ready to hit the town. Well, after I get dressed, of course. Okay, so I'm very excited. I found my MAC Co Beauty eyeliner. Thank goodness. And I'm going to just put it underneath the eye because I like it when it looks darker. Like where I had it before, I just didn't like I don't like because it looks empty. It just looks stupid. Now I feel like it looks a bit more defined, like it's a little bit darker and it's all in place. So that's that. What else do I need to put on here? Now Jordy B, she's given me two lip glosses. One is Candy Girl, which is this color, absolutely gorgeous, and the other one is Plum Passion, which I think is more suited to the lipstick that I'm wearing now, so I'll put that one on. And the good thing is it's got a mirror at the back, so if you ever go out and you want to put it into your handbag and you know you're in the toilets or you're at a club or whatever the case may be, it's got plastic on it, but you could just open up the thing. You can see it. It's so cool. Like open it up, you know, sitting there at the restaurant or whatever it is, and you just... Oh, it's got a light, guys. Oh wow. It's got a nice taste to it as well. So that's it. I'll be putting this into my handbag so I can up my what do you call it? I'm just putting a little bit of powder on top, just here where I'll put my concealer. And I'm done, guys. So yes, as I said, Jordy B Cosmetics, an Australian small business company. Please go check her out. Go check out her Instagram, and order from her. Honestly, they are very affordable. They are absolutely beautiful products. Like, they just glide on your face, like literally. And I don't know what I'm doing, but it's actually pretty cool. Like, especially the foundation. I absolutely love the foundation. But please go check her out, and don't forget, if you do like this video, please give it a quick thumbs up and comment down below where you're watching from. I would love to connect with you all. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that subscribe button and that little notification bell, so you are notified of all new videos that I do upload. But now, have a great day, everybody, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.